बेटा 10th के बाद तो ऐश ही ऐश है, बस 12th के बाद तो लाइफ सेट, बस कॉलेज जॉब के बाद तो लाइफ उफ। How did we ever believe that? While trying to find a way around adulting, I can say for sure that life has gotten only more complicated. Should I get a credit card or just stick with my debit card? Should I start saving money or live that YOLO life? If I skip a meal, can I afford a Netflix subscription? Maybe you don't have to go that far. Maybe with the right amount of knowledge, you can get an iPhone without having to pay EMI for 36 months. Don't you want to go back to times where money was a possibility and not a responsibility? When we didn't have to worry about stuff like buying versus renting or cooking at home or dining out. Managing money doesn't always have to be so overwhelming, and we are here to help you believe exactly that. So stay tuned for more episodes where you and I build pocket money together.